Chef Tai here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make roasted beet salad. To start, you need to make dressings. Dressing can be prepared 3 days ahead, so you don't have to do it right at the moment. You can do this ahead. To make the dressing, you're gonna need an orange juice, apple cider vinaigrette, a little bit of oil, and a mustard, salt, pepper, thyme, shallot, and a garlic. And then in this case, we're just going to utilize this Vitamix to blend everything together. To make the beet salad, you're gonna need to roast a golden beet and a red beet in the oven for about 35 minutes at 350 degrees. Now, every oven does work a little bit different, so make sure, consider the variance and keep a check on it. Basically, you're gonna prick some of that beets with a fork and you're gonna pop it in as you would have roasted any potato or sweet potato. Very similar idea. Once you chill it and peel the skin and slice it out, it will look like this. So we have all the main ingredients right here. We have the dressing that we already made. We got cranberry, candied walnut, and a shredded feta cheese, and 2 types of golden beet and red beet with a beet fritter that we basically made a spiral cut and give it a quick fry. And then we have a kale. So it's just a matter of assembling the dish and present it with a little bit of vinaigrette. Super simple salad. As long as you have your beets and dressings prepared ahead, making this salad takes no time. Hope you enjoyed it.